And we're live. 100% win rate, guaranteed trades. Day number 2 for Chris. So, was that good enough? Did it qualify? I did a few live trades while we were live. I time stamped it with the people that were watching just to see if we were delusional. I was tripping on mushrooms, so I'm not too sure. But in the middle of all that, I guaranteed you a trade. I said short UVXY and you'll make money. So there you go. Live trades and a guarantee. Look where UVXY is, 32.50. You should be up at least $1.85 on this trade, if not 2.50 from where we got short. Remember when we did that trade live? Yeah. So if you're wondering the guaranteed trades, let me show them to you one more time. Yesterday I went over this. I love trading so much. I love helping people so much that I do a Thursday night session with my members. And Thursday night we went over the Microsoft, the idea if Microsoft falls, maybe the Qs will fall. And we got half the equation. So Microsoft did fall. We were looking to short it at the VWAP, got short pre-market, covered it right before the open, and then we were able to get short again when it didn't get back above the VWAP. And the real price that I thought was going to be golden was this price right here, the 510.29. And if you shorted it at the 510.29, which is where basically we shorted it a third time, you got paid about 5 or 6 points, and then you got stopped out on the way out. And I haven't really put a trade on since, except for, you guessed it, I'm going to go ahead and say earnings reports that break VWAP continue to work. The red line, again, I really wasn't watching Exxon because I was looking at tech, UVXY, Qs, but this chop right here, again, all you're doing with any trade is you're identifying risk. Chops around between the VWAP and that spot right there. You buy the VWAP break, all it does is chop, no reason to sell it, starts to accelerate. Next thing you know, you got about $1 out of it. Not a bad trade. And that's it. It's the whole day. So UVXY, every pop I'm shorting. And again, today you got a little pop up to 33.20. It was actually kind of surprising it made the 33.20, but of course, right back to 32.50. And that is the day. You have a great weekend. I am pretty much done with shorting the Qs. I'm down to the last couple of contracts on the short strangle. If you know what that is, if you don't, doesn't matter. Who cares? Nobody cares about shorting the Qs. It's a losing game. More importantly, these trades, the UVXY short and earnings reversals. If you stick to UVXY short and earnings reversals around VWAP, it's very hard to lose. I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend. And Chris, if you're out there, I hope you shorted UVXY. And remember, I guaranteed you the trade live. You probably didn't take it because you're probably not a real trader. You just like to criticize other people. That's usually the case in most situations. But good luck. Hopefully you made some money on it. Handed it to you. Guaranteed. I'm sure you didn't take it. I'm sure you don't even know what UVXY is. And I'm sure you're not even a trader. But good luck to you. I got more silver. Yeah, look, I can't pour it out, but I got some more shit just recently. Somebody finally sold me another Joe Namath coin. Wait a minute, I did buy one other thing. Where is it? I don't know. But what I do have is I got my records from my mom's house. Thinking some of these might be worth money. You guys into air supply? Yeah. Yes, you were. Yes, you were. I don't want to hear it. You all loved air supply at one point. Jackson Brown, come on. I got some really good ones in here. Come on, Linda Ronstadt. You know it, right? Springsteen. Why am I doing it this way? I got my heavy metal records in the other section. Carly Simon. Styx. I don't want to hear it. Everybody has this album. Shut your mouth. Some more Jackson Brown. Some Billy Joel. If you didn't have this growing up, you weren't a real human being. Come on now. John O. Summers' greatest hits. Let's go. Devil went down to Georgia. Let's do it. You know what group this is, right? You love them. Big 80s fan. Sticks, Cars, Fleetwood Mac. Let's go. You know you love this album. Had the poster in my room. How you doing? But we're here here to talk about vinyl or pour silver on our bodies. We're here to talk about the market that refuses to go down, will not go down, and it may never go down ever. So right now we're still trapped in the range. 410 low, let's call it 449 high, 39 point QQQ range. Inevitably, if we stay up here and consolidate, Nvidia is probably going to report a blowout number and we'll break out and the Qs will be at all-time highs. So it's a losing game, right? I mean, and thankfully I didn't get crushed on this last short attempt, but what I do is I sell calls and puts. It's called a short strangle. And my idea is that if the market goes sideways for an extended period of time, I have Enya. Who can Enya? Yeah, Enya saved my life in Italy. It's a long story. I'll tell you some other time. Oh, was it Enya? Sail away, sail away. Yeah, Enya. Enya saved my life in Italy. Anyway, but only time. Yeah. What was I just saying? Something about short strangles. None of that matters. So let me show you a couple other trades. Here's I showed you the Microsoft, right? Oh, I didn't show you anything because my charts aren't up. I just wanted to say hello and hopefully you shorted UVXY because I did guarantee it yesterday. And remember, I'm the only one on the internet who will actually guarantee trades. As long as you don't go over your head, I'll guarantee some other trades for you. It's my money. I can do whatever I want with it, even though I think it's against the law to guarantee trades in some respect. But again, I'll break the law for my members, right? Seriously, you cannot lose shorting UVXY over an extended period of time. I think we all know that. All right. All right. Have a good weekend. Be careful out there. Try to be nice to people and death to terrorists and all those support them. USA.